Hi, I'm Glyn Barrett, and I'm an environmental microbiologist based here at the University of Reading. My current research interests lie in woodland ecology and the dynamics behind transmission of diseases in trees and how these are vectored through forest ecosystems through various hosts, including birds, mammals, and insects. I've linked up with scientists from the Center of Ecology and Hydrology to develop this project, which I'll be discussing with you a little bit about today. So the title of the project is Role of Woodland Birds in the Transmission of Emerging Tree Diseases. You may have heard about diseases such as ash dieback, horse chestnut bleeding canker, or acute oak decline. In recent years, a number of tree diseases have gained considerable attention and are severely impacting the British countryside with downstream effects on associated wildlife and critical ecosystem services provided by these trees. Trees play incredibly important roles in shaping and maintaining the biological diversity and ecological integrity of natural habitats, and diseases have the potential to cause cascading effects through forest ecosystems. Think back to the time of Dutch elm disease in the middle of the last century, which is probably one of the most devastating tree diseases ever occurring on Earth. It has resulted in the death of up to 100 million trees in the UK alone. As a result, the British countryside has suffered and it has not recovered since. Tree diseases may be of bacterial or fungal origin, amongst others, and are known to be vectored through the environment via insects and other invertebrates. Previous studies speculate that insects, especially those with wood-boring habits, may be transporting pathogens between sites and delivering them directly into the living tissue of new tree hosts. What is important is knowing that woodland birds are some of the most important predators of insects. Woodpeckers and tree creepers, for example, actively forage along tree trunks, preying on insects amongst cracks, and indeed carrying out wood-boring activities of their own. Very little is known about the contributory role of birds in controlling or indeed spreading tree diseases, and this study will address just that. We propose a study into the dietary analysis and feeding ecology of wild birds across multiple sites in the UK. We want to answer questions such as, does tree disease status impact insect community and abundance? Are woodland birds actively controlling tree diseases? Or are these same birds actively vectoring microbial pathogens around forest ecosystems? We will address these questions using a range of ecological, microbiological, and molecular analysis tools, including next-generation high-throughput DNA sequencing and multivariate statistical analysis. We will be capturing, ringing, and sampling wild birds from the field and characterizing the microbial communities in their gut using a range of microbiological tools in the labs in Reading and as well in CEH. We are looking for a student with a wide range of skills and interests in ecology, pathology, entomology, microbiology, and molecular biology. Desirable traits would include strong numerical literacy and communication skills. The student will receive specialist training in bird handling and capturing, as well as advanced molecular skills. Most importantly, however, we are looking for a student with a strong and passionate enthusiasm for scientific research, both in the field and in the lab.